GoWISE USA would like to introduce the 5.8 quart XL air fryer with rapid air technology. The best part is that it uses little to no oil to cook dinners fast.
Smart programs, fries, pork, shrimp, cake, chicken, steak, fish, and pizza.
This air fryer offers a wide range of temperatures from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To use the alarm function, press the alarm icon on the display. This function will give you a 5, 10, or 15-minute option. Once you have the alarm set, press the power button to resume the cooking cycle. If you want to make changes to a cook cycle, press the pause start button. 4 dots on the cooker will blink repeatedly. Make your changes to the time and temperature, and when you're ready to resume, press the pause start button to return to the cook cycle. To remove the basket, push the button guard forward with your thumb and pull upward. When resetting, make sure the button guard slides back over the button to ensure that the basket does not slip out of the cook. All of our air fryers come with a recipe book that have 50 introductory recipes to get you familiar with your air fryer. Air frying offers a healthier and easier way to cook in 30 minutes or less. The menu button to select one of the 8 presets. Then press the power button to start the cook cycle. You and your family will love the GoWISE USA 5.8 quart air fryer.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.